Alright guys, so I just want to make a quick video here. We're almost done. So the motor in my 2014 KTM 690, love this bike. This thing completely died. So I was taking apart the top end. You're not supposed to have any play here, but that crank rod's looser than a goose. So it's done. So what I decided to do, the shop quoted me 3,500 plus parts to rebuild this thing. So we're not going to do that. What I did is I wound up buying a 2018 motor off of a KTM Duke 690. So this is a newer motor. It's got the counterbalancer in it. The head design's a little bit different. As you can see, I'm in the process of getting this sucker back into the bike. We've got two of the main pins done. I've got the main engine support rod here in. We got to pull that too, and then this bolt down here is all the way through it. So we're about mounted, but I wanted to just do this quick video about a few differences in these motors. And I don't know what all of them are, so if anyone wants to comment and let me know, it'd be great. This red plug right here, that's different from my old head. Not really sure what's going on, but if we look at the old head, it does not have that one. All right, so old head's got nothing there. New one's got that plug. We did have one little shipping oopsie daisy. This is the crankcase breather right here where my finger is, and that broke off, but a new valve cover's pretty cheap. I'll probably just get a new one from Rocky Mountain. So there's a couple of other differences. You know, we got to get the oil filtration system dialed back in and a few other things, but the motor essentially is the same. We've got the twin spark plugs, so 1 and 2. There's this widget. I'm not entirely sure what that does, but I'm guessing it's some type of cooling. Exhaust looks like it'll bolt up pretty well. We've got the thermostat, water pump. Everything's pretty much in line. You know, the motor only had 855 miles in it, and it's got the counterbalanced shaft. So I'll post some more up as I move through this project, but so far we're looking pretty good. I'm really excited to get the bike back running. This thing's a lot of fun to ride, and I don't know why that main bearing gave out, but too late now. Anyway, but just wanted to show you guys that this is possible. I think the wiring's going to get a little tricky. This is a 6-pin sensor right here that comes off, from what I understand, is some type of a sensor there. I don't know exactly what it is. Again, we're gonna figure this stuff out as we go. Got to change the shifter over as well and the sprocket, but that's a 6-pin. Everything else looks to be the same. Off the 2014, this is a 4-pin connector. So I'm gonna have to get in the manual and splice in, or maybe just swap this sensor out, whatever it happens to be. But yeah, overall, pretty excited, and let's see what happens when we get this thing fired up. But anyway, again, this is the 2018 counterbalanced Duke motor. Came from a Canadian bike, and it's going into a 2014 North American spec 690 Enduro R.